Hi guys, Mark here from Graphics and Tees, and today what I want to do is show you, if you buy a wall sticker anytime and you come across this problem, which is what I'm about to demonstrate. Okay, so without further ado, let's move the camera onto the problem with the wall sticker, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to overcome it. Okay, so not very often, but occasionally, what could happen is when you get a wall sticker and you start peeling the application tape away, what could happen, I'll just grab this corner here. What could happen is, I'll move it close to the camera. The wax paper on the back, okay, the wax paper on the back there could actually come attached to the vinyl. Hopefully I'm making sense. So basically you don't want to keep tearing it like that. That bottom bit there is not going to stick. So if you ever come across this, don't panic and throw the thing in the bin, because that's just not the way to sort it. All you need is some kind of sharp tool. I mean, I've got this pick, but you could use a pin or anything like that. And then what you would do before you actually continue peeling all the application tape off, you would just get your pin or whatever it is. I mean, it can be a little bit fidgety and it might take, somebody else to give you a helping pair of hands, but all you do is just peel that away like so, and then peel it off like that. Okay, and then once you've removed it, then all that sticker there will stick to your wall. Okay, so hopefully that's helped you out. If you like our videos, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. Okay, so that's it for today. I've been Mark, and I'll see you soon.